cause serious injuries.
Hey, my babies.
When someone is rammed from behind by
I just got in from running errands.
It does not take a significant crash to cause permanent damage. Disc herniations, disc bulges, nerve.
I'm about to do a mukbang for y'all.
These forever injuries.
I gotta take off this sweater, okay? This morning it was fucking freezing.
We see it time and time again. If you've been in a car crash, call us.
Now it's fucking warm and shit outside.
People.com.
I mean, if you haven't thought about switching to Geico, frankly, you're missing out. The mobile app makes it easy to manage your policy, even way out here.
The marshmallows.
Digital ID cards, emergency roadside tags, even vitals before the
It's that water, you don't know how to fuck the dress. I mean,
that cheeky little thing got away from me. My bad.
Geico. It's easy to manage your policy whenever, wherever.
Can I trouble you for another marshmallow?
In the last year, there were 3 victims of cybercrime.
So,
When a criminal has your
here's the food. Let me move y'all up.
Criminals can use ransomware, spyware, or malware.
Yeah, this is that weather you don't know how to fuck the dress, first of all. Let me show y'all what I got. I had to get the baby a, you know, a light jacket. You know it's getting chilly. So I gotta get her a few more jackets, but I like this one. This is cute. This is really, really cute. This is so cute. So obviously it's Cat and Jack. It was $28.
So protecting yourself isn't a one-time job. It's an ongoing need.
Yeah, I like it.
Now is the
It's
time
so
to make
cute.
sure that you have the right plan.
So, you know, she got that. And I got her, it's a little, it's like 2 sizes big than her actual size. Because anyways, I was telling y'all that I just came in from running errands. I just took off my sweater, my glasses. I'm about to do a mukbang for y'all, but I wanted to show y'all what I got. The baby. Got her a light jacket. Okay, how cute is this? So cute. The inner pink. Okay, the interior is pink. I think this is so cute. Shit, I'm gonna see if they got one in my size. And then I got her somebody just called me. I had to start this video over just now, but I just got in. And then I got her a pullover. So this is cute, okay? I hope she likes it. I'm gonna get her a few more jackets, but that's just right now what I got. Everything came out to $37. $27.99 for the jacket. And then $10 for the pullover. I gotta put my headphones in.
She took off on foot after Roman shot him. He was found here the next day.
Fucking
Checked with Uber. He doesn't have an account.
robot. Those robo people just called me. Them robot calls. So today I'm eating something new. Okay, this is what I'm eating. Fisherman's Cove. Okay, let me show y'all, because if y'all want to pull up, go ahead and pull up. Okay, Fisherman's Cove, or whatever, Cove. It's on Nostrand, and I got jerk chicken medium with rice and peas, oxtail gravy, cabbage, and plantain. Okay, so did they give me a fork? Yeah. So I'm about to get into this because honestly, I didn't eat this morning. I wanted to make me, you know how I like my fried egg with oh my god, this looks so good. Fried egg with where my plantain? Oh, it's there. My fried egg on a bagel, but fortunately I didn't get to do that. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get me a nice lunch. Let me show y'all the food. Look at this food, y'all. Oh my god, I got the plantano underneath the jerk chicken. You see my cabbage right here on this side. Then my rice. Oh my god. Y'all know I'm about to tear this shit up. And I don't know how long this mukbang is gonna be actually, because I gotta what time is it? I gotta go up, yeah, see it's 12:18. I got about 40 minutes to eat and stuff like that, and then I gotta go upload content for y'all for today because I didn't upload yet. I would have did it before I went and ran errands and got lunch and stuff, but the library wasn't open yet, and I know that y'all love when I upload on Wi-Fi versus just uploading it, you know, from the internet. Because you know, the HD and the better quality and everything. So yeah, let's get into it. Thank you so much for this food. I love you so much for blessing me with providing this food for me. Thank you to the people who cook this food and have the skills to cook this food. Thank you so much. I love for giving me the money to buy this food. Thank you so much. I love for blessing me and my family with this food to bless and nourish our bodies and souls. Thank you so much for this over experience. Allah, inshallah, amen. Oh my God. And they had everything in there too. Oh my God, y'all, they had everything. When I tell you, you don't even know. They had shit. Oh my God, that's so good. They got oxtails. It reminds me of Golden Crust, but it's not. Honey, that ain't no Golden Crust. Although I fuck with Golden Crust. That ain't no Golden Crust. But they got similar foods like Golden Crust, you know? They got, oh my God, this is so good.
I go in front of a special grand jury with fraud charges, and the Department
I'm gonna save some of this for later.
will pull his license the minute I do. And when his lawyer sees what we have, he'll roll. Look, you turn up new information.
Oh my God.
Another bite at the apple and use the fraud case as evidence. Aaron.
But yeah, they got
the minute I walk
curry chicken, jerk chicken, oxtails, Big Mac, white rice, rice and peas.
How's your sergeant? It'll be a lot better with a homicide.
Some kind of fish. I don't know how to some kind of fish that start with an E, I think. And you know they got patties, soda bread, and all that stuff. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna try all their food. But you know I had to start off with that jerk chicken. Sometimes I'm surprised I didn't get indecisive in the store, because sometimes when a place just has too many of my favorite options, I can't even pick. I'm standing there like, oh my God, I don't know what I want. But I didn't do that today. Honestly, I didn't even see the jerk chicken. I think they had it on the grill. I was just, walking past the window where they got all the trays of food. I'm like, where's the jerk chicken? I seen the oxtails, the curry. I was about to get curry.
We can't prove it. The judge advised
But I just,
based on the evidence. State's attorney agreed
you
to
pay,
get me
you pick what size plate you want. I got a medium.
My hands are tied.
And then they call you by your number. So they called me. Oh my God, look at them. They slice it up for me nice and good. Oh my God. Oh. So they called me. I mean, I've seen it when I paid for it, you know. So you put that gravy sauce over top. Look at my plantain. Plantano. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to go back. Now this is the food I like to eat, okay? Besides my own food that I cook. Like Chipotle and all of that stuff is good. Chipotle, Popeye, Subway, all that stuff, halal food. All of that stuff is good, but this is what you call real food. If you want to eat fast food, get real fast food. You know what I mean? Which is food like this. So yeah, I just set a poll on my Instagram story. Unfortunately, I didn't check it before I started this mukbang. So I don't know which one y'all picked, which one y'all wanted me to talk about. I asked y'all, do y'all want me to talk about stop judging people? Or do y'all want me to talk about, oh my God, look at this food, y'all. I said, or do y'all want me to talk about giving your man cat, sis? I was trying to put, stop withholding punani, you know what I mean, from your dude. But that didn't fit in a little space. So I don't know, I'm gonna just go with Stop withholding your cat. It's most likely y'all pick that.
Severe. The daytime coughing, aching, stuffy head, fever, sore throat, power through your day, medicine.
Collect cute characters and solve thousands of fun puzzles. Download Best Fiends for free today. That's friends without the R. Best Fiends.
So yeah, why you should stop withholding your cat, your punani, your toto, your PUSSY, your vagina from your man is because why are you doing that? You know, why are you doing that in the first place? Like, if you in a relationship, y'all both took each other off the market, y'all are happy, even if y'all are going through a rough patch, y'all are arguing or whatever, you're always supposed to keep that intimacy and your sex life healthy, regardless of what. I know, I've been in a few relationships, you know, and sometimes things can get rough. Sometimes y'all don't like each other. Sometimes y'all are arguing, whatever, having disagreements, whatever the case, you know. But you should always give your nigga that punani, period. Period. That's your man. That's your man. Now, if you don't, I'm not saying this is okay, and I'm definitely not condoning cheating because I'm not a cheater. When I'm in a relationship, I'm fully 100% in my relationship with my dude or my girl, and that's it. You know what I mean? I'm not looking at nobody else. I'm not looking for anybody else. I'm happy. You know what I mean? Even when we going through a rough patch. Even when we having disagreements. I'm not going to go out there and disrespect you. Disrespect myself, you know what I mean? But when I'm single, baby, don't worry about this punani. You understand what I'm saying? I could do what I want. I just want y'all to... I really just need to know what y'all doing. You know, ladies, you get it. You want a man, you get in a relationship, and then you want to start punishing your man by not giving him no toto. That's not cool. That's when a man starts to look outside of his relationship. He starts to, you know, his eyes start to wander. He starts to become intrigued. There's ladies out there who, they don't care for guys in a relationship, married or whatever. If your guy is throwing something at them, guess what? There's ladies out there who will catch it. Because they can see. Oh, you know, he's in a relationship and he don't respect his girl. Boom. I'm going to give him this daughter. I'm going to get that dick. You understand what I'm saying? And next thing you know, your man is cheating on you. And it's everybody's fault. It's your fault. It's his fault. It's the side chick's fault. It's the hoe's fault. I'm just telling y'all, rule number one. Rule number one, stop withholding that toto from your dude. That's rule number one.
We picked up footage of your car outside Kelly's house the night of the incident.
You mean the night your partner killed my brother?
Yeah, and I know you drove him there.
So?
So I don't think you would have. I think you followed him.
You know, y'all younger girls.
He'd look innocent, and because of that, a good police officer would go down for something he didn't do. You guys are...
And I know I talk like I'm older than what I am. I'll be 26 in like, what, 10 days?
Not yet.
I'm only 25, you know?
I got nothing more to say.
And I know I talk like, I'm probably like 30, 40, but that's not the point. Y'all need to just know that I have a lot of experience in this life. I have lived a lot of life, you know, and I have lived and learned and grown. And I'm still evolving every day. I'm still living and learning every day. You know, so, no, I'm not perfect. No, I don't know everything. But what I do know is, stop withholding that toto from your nigga. Period.
It must be so hard to distance yourself from cancer patients.
Stop. You know, holding your toto from your dude shouldn't be a punishment for him. Because what is that going to do? That's just going to create problems in your relationship. Then you're going to be insecure because you know you ain't giving him toto. So you like, oh, I know you doing something. I know you out there, blah, blah, blah. I know you doing something with somebody else. It's like, sis, but you wouldn't have to worry about that if you was handling your business at home.
And of course, I mean, they never question your therapies, right? Do they have a medical degree? Exactly. Do they cure cancer?
No, a relationship is not all about sex, but
Bottom line, they're afraid for their lives.
if you
Come to understand, I'm the only one.
if you don't love yourself and you are not confident and you know you all don't have a healthy sex life,
What a lovely watch. It's beautiful.
that can create problems.
Yeah, we got a guy, Howard, on the South Lawn. This retail is $75,000.
Because now,
He gave it to me for $45,000. You're interested, I can.
because now you're gonna get out here
Look at this thing.
spending his hard, you know, if y'all are married, spending y'all hard-earned money on hoes, you know, on women that are out here giving him what he needs. Time, attention, companionship, conversation, intimacy, understanding, good ass toto, you know. She probably doing shit that you don't do at home with your man because you're too classy, you know, you're too classy.
Here we are, same place we started.
That's the fetus.
No, that's Riddler's.
I'm just giving y'all the facts, okay?
This is the fetus.
Take care of your man, sis. Keep your relationships and your marriages happy, peaceful, loving. Simply because that's the way it's supposed to be. Y'all are always supposed to be like this. Este, eye to eye. On the same page about everything. And even if y'all are not, y'all have to figure it out. And y'all have to compromise.
When she was so early.
That's very important.
I didn't know.
I'm going to tell you the top 2 reasons relationships fail today. Not even just today. This is not even just today. I'm going to give you the top 2 reasons why relationships and marriages fail in general. Damn, this food is good. I got to go back. I'm going to try their, I don't want their oxtails. I'm going to try their jerk chicken. I'm going to try that fish.
I'm in t-shirts for Terry now. She's just waiting for me in the living room. She has a dress.
I know Wookie don't want none because she don't like spicy food. Okay. The top 2 reasons
You saw something in me that was worth
why relationships and marriages fail is
and she used for Christmas when I buy me that dress.
finances. Number 1.
I have an idea. Reinbold met with our victims
And number 2
before
is
they showed up dead or in comas with the accounts receivable.
sex.
Here and here.
Your sex life.
The victims met with Reinbold on December.
A lot of people fake the front like they all happy and shit.
December 11th.
But if you was really happy
Order came into the office for chemo for each victim.
in your monogamous relationship or marriage,
Every other time before.
On the 11th,
there would be no need to look outside of your marriage or relationship
treated on
for somebody else to please your needs.
the
That's just the bottom line.
and the 17th, and then
You know, a lot of guys too.
placed December 22nd for 3 times the usual amount.
I'm gonna say it. Fellas, don't get mad at me.
All listed for appointments right after that.
I'm the queen, and the queen has spoken.
January 2nd. That's right before they came to
A lot of guys too
And 7 times the
find submissive and vulnerable, and
Did he get that
you know,
past the insurance companies? They've never approved 7 times more.
and
They didn't even bill it to insurance.
wife material ladies, stay at home mothers and shit. they find y'all type. And there's nothing wrong with y'all type. I'm just telling y'all what y'all men do. I'm just telling y'all what y'all men do. They seek out those type of ladies, and then, you know, they reel it in. Slowly but surely. And because she's so vulnerable and submissive, and she's like wifey type and stay at home mom, and they make sure everything is good. The bills is paid, the kids are good, bank account is good. You know, your man is out there working, and they cheat on you night and day. Because number one, they know that you love them. You know, you got what what they're providing. The roof over the head, you know, the necessities that you need, right? Food, roof, clothes, water, you're taking care of the children. They buy you whatever you want. You know, you probably got all the expensive clothes and shoes. Because they make sure, like, okay, you're good. And they're cheating on you, sis. Because they know they got you put. So now they know they can do whatever the fuck they want.
I wanted more from my COPD medicine. That's why I left out the power of 1, 2, 3 medicines with Trilogy.
As long as they keep everything the way it's supposed to be, and ain't nothing out of order from the daily programming of y'all lives, you won't ever catch them slipping. Never. Oh my God, I gotta go back. This shit is so good.
Trilogy is not for asthma. Tell your doctor if you have a heart condition or high blood pressure before taking it. Do not take Trilogy more than prescribed. Trilogy may increase your risk of thrush, pneumonia, and osteoporosis. Call your doctor.
Next, I think I'm gonna do
Chest pain, mouth or tongue swelling, problems urinating, vision changes.
macaroni, curry,
COPD medicine is doing enough. Maybe you should think again.
and cabbage.
Your doctor about once daily Trilogy. The power of 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna save this for later. But yeah, if you want to pull up to this spot, I already showed y'all where it's at, what it's called. I'm not gonna make this mukbang too long, because y'all know I gotta go upload content. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this mukbang. That was so good. You asked me what I recommend. Obviously, I would. It's too good. I gotta go back.
If you or someone you love has been diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma after being exposed to Roundup or a glyphosate herbicide, you may be entitled to compensation. How do you fight for the compensation you deserve? You choose the right legal team that has the experience and resources to seek the most compensation for your injuries. Call for a free case review.
All right, my babies. This is the end of the mukbang. I love you all so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace and love.